was time to remove the drawers and give them a good look over as well. This dresser is fairly old, and you can tell by the old school hardware. I took a pair of needle nose pliers and twisted off the old square nuts. This hardware is old and has been in there for a while, so I just use the back of my screwdriver and give the screws a big bang just to push them out. To remove the front plate of these knobs or handles, I used my anvil pry bar. These are super handy, these pry bars, these smaller pry bars for furniture repairs. And I just pried that finishing nail out, making sure not to damage the front of the drawer while doing so. Once I had the hardware off, I started collecting it in a plastic container just to make sure that all the hardware is all together. I wasn't sure if I was going to reuse it on this piece or not. I didn't end up using it on this piece, but I always keep all my hardware because you never know when they're going to come in handy for future makeovers. I continued with each drawer, taking them out, inspecting them, removing the hardware, and putting it aside in the container. After all the hardware was removed, it was time to give this piece a really good cleaning.